Our roots trace back to the sacred land of Tulunadu, a land where the Devadiga community has served as guardians of temples and traditions. The very name defines our role and responsibilities. Shri Yermal Koragappa Shriyan and Shri Mannagudde Babu D. Devadiga are visionary leaders with many of the like-minded senior members of the community got together to form an organization and named it as Devadiga Sangha Mumbai. 108 Bora Bazar Street, Fort, Mumbai. This was its registered office. The first 2 decades saw some memorable milestones being set. In 1936, we formed the Devadiga Veerdal, a volunteers group. Post India's independence, on March 13, 1948, our Sangha was registered under the Societies Registration Act and Bombay Public Trust Act. Our mission was clear: to encourage education by sponsoring scholarships to the needy students, to promote sports and cultural activities, to encourage socio-economic activities for progress, to foster a spirit of better living with mutual understanding, and to support the cause of social harmony. We established a sub-office in Dadar and set up a free reading room and library with the inauguration of Prakash Memorial First Aid Service. 1980s was the time for the diamond to sparkle in all glory. The 80s saw our Sangha further expanding our community outreach activities. We conducted the Silver Jubilee Athletic Meet in November 1983. It was a true celebration of our commitment to promote sports in the community. The Mahila Vibhag in 1998 to encourage the participation of women in our Sangha's activities. To empower our younger generation in the Sangha affairs, we organized a youth festival for the first time in 1990 March 2001 under the presidentship of Shri Dharmapal U. Devadiga. Mumbai's devastating floods in July 2005 saw us stepping up tall as our Sangha left no stone unturned to help and support victims in need. Our team worked tirelessly to distribute food, clean water, and other essential supplies to the most vulnerable. In 2010, healthcare was a strong point of focus throughout this decade, starting with our first medical camp from Devadiga Bhavan on 31st January 2010. Youth engagement, education, and women empowerment were the underlying themes of our Sangha in this decade. As we strove to strengthen the community, the COVID-19 period was perhaps the most challenging times the world faced in a long time. Our Sangha relentlessly moved ahead with the relief work in 2020 to support families and individuals under the presidentship of Shri Ravi S. Devadiga, along with Shri Praveen N. Devadiga and Shri Naresh S. Devadiga as vice presidents. Into the first 5 years of this decade of 2020s, we have organized a successful youth conclave in 2023 and multiple women's entrepreneurship initiatives under presidentship of Shri Praveen N. Devadiga, with Shri Naresh S. Devadiga and Srimati Malti J. Moili as Vice President. Devadiga Sangha Mumbai, united with strength,